I'm going to show you how I install the generator inlet box. Bought this on Amazon. Basically, I pre-wired this small breaker box by SQAURE D, and I'm going to install 30 amp double breaker. That's what my generator does. So I have a 30 amp cord which will plug to this and into the generator. So I need basically, so this thing's connected directly to my generator split panel inside my garage. So if my power goes out, I just go switch it over there, and then I power up the generator, turn this on, plug it in there, and I should have power to the things that I specified to the house, like refrigerators and lights. So really what I need is about a flex hose kit, ¾ inch, and it includes these little pieces, and then also I got things to mount the and I'm also need a 10-3 wire, which I had a scrap piece left over, and it has 2 hots, a neutral, and a ground. So I got a total of 100 amp, so I could run up to 100 amps, which I'm only going to do 30 because my generator is 30, but it's pre-wired for up to 100 amps. So that should easily power up pretty much the whole house if I wanted it. So my ground wire and my neutral is going to go in that bar, and then my 2 hots will connect into here. Fairly easy setup. You got the white and the XY, the 2 hot, and then the ground will connect with in here. Okay, this side's all done. You can see I got it fully wired up now. Red and the black to the hot. So my white, neutral, and my ground were a little short. This extra, and I didn't really want to cut down the conduit. I want the distance here. So I just tapped in another similar gauge wire, and then the ground, and eventually I'll have another longer piece. I'll just come switch it out, but it's, as you can see, wired up together. This is the neutral right here, and then the ground too hot. It's done. So all I do is get my extension cord for my generator, plug it in here, go switch the breaker inside the garage, and then flip this on and start the generator, and it should power up the house. So this is my generator split panel by SQAURE D. And basically I got 60 amps powering up all these. So this is a generator split. Everything here is just powered by, so everything below could be powered by the generator. So all I have to do is turn the 60 off, just turn off the lights, twist this thing, it's like a safety pin, and then turn on the 100 amp that comes from the generator. So now I'm gonna go power up the generator. So I got a PowerMate 7500, and it's got the 6000 running amps, and this should do cold start. Got a 20-foot cable. It's showing I got power. So now, let's do the test. All I gotta do is just turn this on.